It just sounds so great to start your day with fresh juice, but it's not so great when you have to deal with messy setups. That's why the best juicers deliver maximum nutrients. None of that pulpy residue mixed with full cleaning capabilities. Before we dive in, make sure to use our links to get the latest discount for every single product we talk about here. Here we go! Number 5. Ninja Cold Press Juicer JC101. Amazing value! We want to kick things off with the Ninja NeverClog, the top value pick for today. The high-torque motor here handles tough fruits in style, which is amazing for the listed price tag. Unlike many juicers in its class, it squeezes out more juice, which reduces waste to stretch every dollar you spend on ingredients. Adjustability is another feature that sets this model apart. The total pulp control system includes a pair of interchangeable filters, which let you decide how pulp-heavy you want your blend. Its spacious 24-ounce juice jug and 36-ounce pulp container make it ideal for juice preps for multiple people at once. Other juicers in this price range struggle to provide this kind of flexibility, often requiring frequent emptying during use. Simplicity defines its design. It uses just two intuitive programs, Start, Stop, and Reverse, which makes operation straightforward even for beginners. The anti-drip lever keeps your counter spotless by preventing spills as you pour, which can be a headache with other models. Cleanup is also painless thanks to dishwasher-safe parts that save time. These small touches turn what could be a time-consuming process into something manageable. Compact dimensions make storage easy, fitting under most cabinets without a problem. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on power or results. Compared to bulkier models, it operates at a noticeably quieter volume, which is especially convenient in the mornings when noise levels matter most. Many juicers claim to offer durability and performance, but few deliver it at this price point while maintaining reliability. The Ninja NeverClog does exactly that. It focuses on features that make a real difference in everyday use. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Number 4. Nama J2. Best for ease of use. A good juicer doesn't need to make things complicated. Simplicity and performance working together change how you think about homemade juice. That's where the Nama J2 cold press juicer excels. One of its most practical features here is the self-feeding hopper. It transforms the entire experience. You don't have to stand there to manually add your ingredients. You can load everything at once. Most juicers force constant reloads, but this one frees up your time in a way that feels genuinely useful. The motor deserves attention too. At 200 watts, just 50 RPM operation, it delivers a steady, efficient performance. It won't overheat your ingredients, so the juice stays fresh and full of nutrients. Compared to cheaper centrifugal juicers, this slower process keeps flavors intact while extracting more from each fruit or vegetable. Maintenance can make or break a juicer, and Nama gets this right. The quick-release parts simplify disassembly, and the included cleaning brush helps you deal with tight spots easily. Many juicers leave you wrestling with stubborn residue, but here it feels manageable. You won't dread cleaning up after making juice, which is a big win for anyone short on time. Its large containers make prepping for a crowd effortless. The juice and pulp containers offer plenty of space, which avoids the need to stop and empty halfway through. This feature shines when making enough for the whole family or setting up a week's worth of juice. Other models at this price often fall short, making the Nama J2 stand out in daily use. Durability ties everything together. From soft spinach to tougher fruits, the machine works through ingredients without struggling. It produces more juice than the average masticating juicer while reducing waste. You get more out of your grocery haul, enhancing its overall value. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 3. Hiom H320. Best cold press model. Up next, the Hiom H320 is the leader among cold press models. It uses advanced slow squeeze technology, which gently extracts juice to retain nutrients and flavor. Unlike centrifugal juicers that heat produce and compromise freshness, this method delivers juice that stays fresh and nutrient-rich for up to 72 hours. The self-feeding hopper is a standout feature of the H320. Designed for whole fruits and larger portions, it eliminates the need for constant stop and reloads. Whether you make juice for one person or the entire family, this feature reduces prep time dramatically. The wide hopper makes chopping unnecessary for many ingredients, which sets it apart from other models that often require meticulous prep. This juicer delivers when it comes to performance. It has a quiet motor. It works efficiently without any unnecessary noise. Early mornings, late evenings, it's all good. You won't disturb the peace of the household. Operation is at an ideal speed, which means no heat buildup, and that preserves the natural flavors of all ingredients. The ability to adjust pulp levels adds a layer of customization, which allows you to suit their preferences with ease. Fine and coarse strainers make switches between texture options quick. Quality materials and thoughtful design make the Hiom H320 both durable and easy to maintain. Grooved strainers reduce residue, which minimizes time spent on cleanup. Traditional juicers often demand an exhausting cleaning routine, but the straightforward setup of this model keeps things simple. Its sturdy construction, using materials like stainless steel and Triton, not only enhances durability but also contributes to its sleek, refined look. Juice yield surpasses typical expectations. The H320 extracts virtually every bit of liquid from both soft fruits and tougher vegetables. Harder produce like carrots become effortless to process, leaving behind exceptionally dry pulp that reflects its top-tier extraction ability. Users get more juice for their money, which is a major advantage over many competitors. Versatility completes the package. From smoothies to nut milk, it tackles different recipes easily. When put up against some juicers that only excel in limited areas, the H320 consistently delivers across the board. We like it a lot. Number 2. Cing Auto 10. Premium choice. A high-end juicer should blend innovation with ease, delivering features that truly stand out. The Cing Auto 10 fits this description by focusing on premium details that meet the expectations of serious juicing enthusiasts. A top-notch juicer makes all the difference for those who expect both efficiency and quality in their kitchen tools. The Cing Auto 10 juicer earns its place as a standout option, offering features designed for performance-driven users without compromising convenience. One of the highlights is the generously sized 3-liter hopper. Unlike most standard juicers that demand careful chopping beforehand, this design accepts whole fruits and vegetables with ease. Its auto-cutting blade takes over from there. You can craft a fresh juice blend in minutes without the frustration of endless prep work. If you battle tight schedules, this feature alone changes the whole experience. Power is another area where the Auto 10 sets itself apart. Many juicers in its class struggle with ingredients as tough as beets or fibrous greens like kale. The 240-watt motor here handles such challenges confidently, even running for up to 45 minutes for larger batches. Compared to the typical home juicer, which often overheats or clogs under strain, this power level allows it to shine in both durability and output. After enjoying fresh juice, what many fear most is the cleanup. Cing addresses this pain point effectively. With easily removable parts and a specially designed pulp chute, cleaning doesn't turn into a chore. Older juicer models often leave users dealing with clogs and stubborn pulp in filters. Here, the thoughtful design eliminates those frustrations, and the included cleaning tool simplifies the process even further. The Auto 10 isn't limited to juicing. Its ability to create creamy nut milk, velvety smoothies, and smooth sorbets make it more versatile than most appliances in its category. Owning a single device to cover multiple kitchen needs saves both money and counter space. Having these options in one machine means fewer devices to juggle and maintain. Not all premium products can back up their claims of longevity, but this one does. A 15-year assurance from a brand with over 40 years of experience inspires confidence. Unlike cheaper alternatives that fail after limited use, this juicer proves itself as a worthwhile investment. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Number 1. Brail Commercial CJE 830 BSS1BNA1 Best Overall. And now, meet this Brail Commercial model, also known as the Juice Fountain XL Pro, and also known as the winner for today. Key to its success is the 3.5-inch wide feed chute. This feature reduces prep time, allowing users to juice whole fruits like apples without the hassle of chopping. For busy households, being able to toss whole produce directly into the machine makes daily juicing less of a chore. Many comparable juicers require cutting fruits and vegetables beforehand, which makes this wide chute a practical improvement. The variable speed dial is another big advantage. It adjusts to accommodate different types of produce, whether delicate citrus or firm vegetables like carrots. This flexibility delivers top juice extraction for each food type, while many other juicers with fixed speeds leave some juice behind in tougher produce. The stainless steel cutting disc, paired with a premium Italian-made mesh filter, extracts juice efficiently without unwanted heat. Freshness stays intact, oxidation is minimal. What makes the Juice Fountain XL Pro stand apart is its capacity. With a 70-ounce juice jug and a 115-ounce pulp bin, you can juice larger quantities without the constant stops to empty containers. Spillage is less of a concern with the drip-free nozzle. Serve juice directly into a glass without the mess that's common in less thoughtfully designed machines. The well-thought-out construction continues with the motor. It delivers powerful performance, yet remains quieter than many centrifugal juicers. The materials used reflect Breville's commitment to durability. That's all we can say. This is top-tier stainless steel that can take a punch but remains easy to clean. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.